Hi, I'm Crystal Wright, and I am here in New York at the Makeup Show. But I am so excited about the end of this month because guess what? It's the Power of Beauty Trinidad 2014, and I am coming back. And I am hoping to see every makeup artist, every hairstylist, fashion stylist, manicurist, and photographer in Trinidad at the Power of Beauty Trinidad 2014. You know, last year when I was there, I was talking about portfolio building. And while we're going to touch on that, because I want to make sure I get to see what you guys remember, what we're going to focus on this year is your marketing, your self-promotion, your comp cards, your business cards. Are you sending links to your website out to the right people? Are you sending your comp cards to the right people? Who are they designed for? I want to make sure that you got the right amount of pictures on your comp card. I want to see those business cards. I'm going to help you with those business cards and all of your promotion and marketing. And I'm not going to be doing it alone because celebrity makeup artist Beneatha Mortis, who's done a ton of covers for Essence magazine, works with Queen Latifah, is coming with me. Not just Beneatha Mortis, but Antoine Jackson. And if you've ever watched the Wendy Williams show, then you know that Antoine Jackson is Wendy Williams' hairstylist. So make sure that you come because Beneatha is doing a fabulous makeup class. She's going to teach you all of her tips and tricks. Antoine is coming to do hair. He's going to show you how to do things with hair that you've never seen before. So I want to see all of you at the Power of Beauty Trinidad 2014 on May 25th and 26th. I will see you there. Bye now.